Hi, in this video I will show you how to invite someone to join TikTok live. So if you are live on the TikTok account and you want someone to join you as a live on the TikTok stream, so simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the plus icon. Once you will do it, now you have to select a live option here. Right now my account don't have much follower like 1000, so this feature is not available, but I will give you away. So go to the live and you will see red and the blue of the icon on the left bottom. You have to tap on it and you will see all of your friend list here. So simply select any of friend by clicking on the invite. Once you will click on the invite button, your request will be forwarded by the TikTok to that person to join you as a live. So this is the way you can send request to anyone to join you as live on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.